was had young common up here more santimemu. A young Mensia Central. Jacobu a honomo kwa abuzia around some case be esi honomo. I'm a medias amount for 80 home como. Ghana police occupies cat our Galamsey site. I'm a 2 akasa. Umako botuo. I'm a Galamsey ni bako. Wafemo atwana na musiedo. I'm a Zanko media and so Ghana for no. 80 home como. In this video, remember which remove. Ede kwa ni see na assemble efiri hen ana abepem hene na henfa ana echo. Aha yi Penyah block media. Mess was say any demo. Obe like video no other about subscribe button some back the notification icon latest updates na be chere wa adwede ama me e wo comment as so baso no achieve for so enya bi ahwe so over Ashanti region mu a there are many districts and many towns over here na oba ye wo ekuro bi ato din Jacobu a ekuro no e wo Galamsey Central District ni mu ora say as Galamsey Jacobu no e ben be kwai so what ha e ho e ben e ho no mo na da Jacobu ho no won say e Galamsey area ko be kwai ho no da na mu that time Galamsey koso ketenkete bi e wo ho no e ho akoye Galamsey site Galamsey area na e ho no no ana ho be ka mfa kwache ka 2023 ana video bi e baaye a video na say Galamsey fo o manya akokoduro police fo a o mu patrol e make sure say obi ankore forest ni mu enko say ense ase no Galamsey fo yi achi police ni e woro na tale e gigini tuo police ni pa jo say Mr. Munyai na so say till omu tt police ni no
polonga ye fu aha polonga kadum estal na adleri yobe polonga kadum do fa bulo polonga kadum
video pop up on the internet that time not IGP dampar enet so omu omu cross check omu timi ko tabiri dam rantie no omu ase budi san kwase asem no omu ko chi and it was believed say that video no every Jacobu hono na baaye e da kwase ne Galamsey for no mani abre because omu police baaye omu boy police on training akra bi no ya beti omu eti edebufuo e be hye omu mu ema from there the nyini esisie police ko pies kata na omo so eno mu ade asisi ani ade enam so ade be pay 2025 on the 13th November 2025 no yeah that's when police station ho no no eja dam butubuto ma se eda na shibubu nyina
na so we wada di jaro omo fra omo na so de ma fra na ba na omo ma ezu kura ne pipe bi na mo le amo ogu say e be sini nyina na me de twombo e be sini nyina e nya abatu agu won ho adanu ahane kraki o ba se believe mumla se adanu ebu adanu ebu ebu oh Jacobu police quarter police palace na ask you where you are. Fire service ni kuro yi. I'm calling you. Fire service baba. I'm calling you na fire service baba. Mama. You are the yes, sir. Fire service and immigration. I'm top immigration. Oh. Pablo. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Obi be mada oh. Obi se clashe. Madis. Adana yabo. Ebo. Never tell well. I'm going to take care of no be asem se bele busia
2006 year, you know, and the police for a crack it down on that town. Galamsey sat your home almost like a ransack here. Now, patrol during their patrol, no, and pay Abrantu Abia ni fear no, according to reporter about do many any nipabia me from no mudin common no. Just a boy no prefer what you told on him no. Now could I know who ni fear na or 15 years. 15 years okuratuo Galamsey site okuratuo Galamsey nti akurani kuratuo e magan police for ekwaje no mkoje no mkasa ne nipa na etuo ne dia no omla omasoye na omachiri mu die nti a odi etuo e ma that small boy no se omfanye dey ora se ne etuo ni kura ne alliance se hwan na man permit ese obetima to se koda it was such a power arm enye tuo ngitingitu power arm pa it na omuche se omra mechiri mu hwan na man that permit ne tuo nkwa hwan na alliance se ma no alliance se o de tuo ni ba beye dey onfa nema emechiri na ne omra omfa etuo ni ema no eti Galamsey for the TSC na asi no ene ne police car no ebi akọ ebi ese ba ogbehu se enkofu no enie no ene Galamsey boys nyina ko rushe police car no ene ne chese omu ko force police for no akọ jiro mu agigi omu tuo ene omu nema all because police for no abeje Galamsey ni ba kutu eti through that no ene the police for started say omu ma one shot na one shot no my ba police ni ba kwa nka guy ba kwa yire no agini tuo ni in fact one fan free no fire gunshot no straight to the guy eboni tuo ekunu Jacobu Montine so ewia kete
police ni we pa banwe omaje yeah omejani omejani okumako
busia wey abe assembly but o comedian no so a Ghana for chance Ghana police for ayade ombo ma baso because sabi mebru ni bi jime dodo ebi age me too much e dey ade Ghana police for ayade so matima bokwase ampan ni to akumbi no o ma yade.
Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Musa Bomba. There are some videos circulating on social media. Please share this video, let it get to the appropriate authorities. Especially the IGP. Make you tag IGP for me. Make one attack IGP for me. Inspector General of Police. IGP. Madam Lady Adonko, CID boss. Vance Garba, Director of Operations. You guys must find the police officers who shoot the guy yesterday and promote them. The police officers who shot the guy yesterday, they need promotion. Even if you can double their promotion, me, I will be happy. Who burn dog for a civilian to disarm a police officer? Even you must have respect for the uniform. The uniform the man is wearing, they should have respect for the uniform. I don't know why these Galamsey people, they think they can go. I don't know. But IGP, you have to send your men there. A lot of the officers are losing their lives because of these useless guys called Galamseyers. You don't have the authority to disarm a police officer. Even if he was in a civilian uniform, you say that you don't know that is an officer. But you saw their police car, and you even go to the car and open the door, you want to disarm him. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of... Look at police, IGP, I beg you, promote these officers, give them double promotion. The police officer did well. You should have shoot all of them. You should have killed all of them. You should have wiped all of them. They are even longer than you shoot only one person. They are even lucky that one or two people die. He should have shoot all of them, kill all of them. They are animals. They are animals. They don't deserve to live in this world. They don't deserve to live in this world. A police officer who is going to protect your life, a soldier who is going to protect your life, you go and hold a police officer, open their car, and try to disarm him. What a nonsense! What a nonsense! IGP, take this video. Let it get to IGP. We are giving you 1 month to promote those guys. Don't say you are going to do investigation. Just promote them straight away. We the Ghanaians, we appreciate what the guy did yesterday. He saw that he's a trained officer. You can't come and disarm me when I've gone training for 6 months, 1 year. You a civilian come and disarm me. So if like they took the gun, we don't know what would have happened. If those guys they took the gun from the police officers, we don't know what would have happened. What has the police officer done? They've sent him to come and bring peace and order to the forest. He was not coming there for his own personal interests. The officer came there because they were sent by the IGP and the President of the Republic. And they are discharging their duties that was duly assigned to them. And you, these animals, you have the audacity to attack an officer wearing police uniform. That even longer that he didn't want all of you. He should have killed all. He should have won everybody that was there, trying to disarm him. And this is a lesson to those useless people. Those who think that they can take the law into their own hands and do anything that they want. Ghana, the law is working 24/7. The law is working 24/7. The law is working 24/7. Please share this video. Let it get to IGP. That Musa Bomba, I said you should promote the officers within 1 week. Because the people deserve promotion. If it were to be me, I would have won all of them. I would have won all of them. What a nonsense. Are we living in a banana republic that you can just wake up and say because the policeman is doing his lawful duty, you go and attack him? Because of your daily bread, the postman should not work. So thank you everybody. I beg, let this video go and get to IGP. Let him do the right thing. Ghanaians are fully behind you. You are doing well. We know you are doing well. And Ghanaians are going to support you to do the right thing for this country. And those that I don't want to abide by the rules of this country, they can go to Afghanistan or Somalia. We don't care. So far that you are putting things that we know that it is in good order for the people of this country, protecting with the citizens. IGP, carry on your work. Carry on your work. Any animal who see a police officer, soldier, or any other security agency wearing their uniform doing their lawful work, and you come attack them, you have a problem. You are mentally sick. See ya. Have a nice weekend.
I was for me now. Welcome to the Anasi. And when I'm video be a course so I think Jacobu area where a police for a tinabo branch be 2 amanu. Na nipa bunum so from so pin and the police for my cousin in Chamo. Mobakai me previous videos be a about the military now. I still stand on those grounds to say a nipa or minor money to editu ekuta ne nsem no ade bi wo ha ye ne and emamunu no embabunu na amwo man we mu. You people should be conscious about these things and the kind of approach what they call the security services so. Okay? If the security can't protect themselves, that means they can't protect us. That is a gospel fact. Say obia oye security personnel, being it a soldier, being it a policeman, being it a prisons officer, immigration officer, customs officer, now obia or can be a national security in the other day. If personally they can't protect themselves, meaning that they can't protect us. And on any day, if you have to struggle with them, they have to kill you. Mumi emphasize hadi win show and shemutiri. I'm on tiasia.
security service ne etuo na ekuta wo mu ne sebi yemfa nkwa ahwa yo ma kan san mu ya kire mu times with that number obi biara yama ne tuo ni yama ne license ye bema police ni tuo a chese yama ne license say onfa tuo no otimi de ye ade bia when it is necessary, when he feels insecure that he can use the gun. It is a over sight. Na police ni baho, soldier ni baho. Even though sometimes they might not be sanctioned to come to your site, but you don't have any right whatsoever to attack them. Mumiente sa ankomo na si okromwa. Because ye jaima enipa timi attack ye security services ni koduru certain point bia ye do mani be form. That is the gospel truth. And with time no police for say the yes ye go mani masia fan they will have to redeem their image. Police need our site. Now even when it doesn't have a warrant, is not even sanctioned to come for that operation. Janini nye kikikiki. Me we video ni bi. Say the mwasi akwa sam car no na mo pese mo kire sen. Enne abranti a wawui. Ne wo ma ne ma ye mobo. Owo abusia wo je busiafo yaw just because of one kind of stupid behavior. Let's tell you the civilians the truth. Police for mu free mu ne call into the police service. Soldier for mu free mu ne call into the army. But I don't trust you no more yepe. You know more yepe. And the earlier we realize that and understand those factors and those authorities, the better for all of us. Unu omu yepe. He mamen kanjiro. MP na wote mo man temo no. Mo na moto aba man call parliament ba mo ne ni yepe. Se mo anyi no kura antumu a da bia no kura ni bedi munya. MP na wote mo man temo. Wone na to aba obeba grounds abeye campaign obesi form abewo fufu ba the reality of the issue is one ne nyepe etin ye be man vieta man salunka man fia man bibia ye ma obi no because say ono ne life na anya better ontimi say wo better. That is the gospel truth. Eti mamu me ensore ne ye police fo ena ne omu ham ne ye soldier fo na ne omu ham because they are there to protect us. But when they are there to protect us, but they see that their life is insecure at any moment in time, at any particular place, they will have to defend themselves. Obekun. Makasa asimi achire, misi obekun. Oha police ni, oha soja ni okutetuo, obetimi ekun. Enko bebia. Monte sa ankomo wi ase, mama mfane se omu ye nipa bone fo na omu ye wudifo. Obetimi ekun a enko bebia because etuo na ye de ama na bi nkutawo. Enti ye hu se tuo kutawa ye timi treat as a criminal no. Adia boys ni koye ne car no, it was unnecessary. Adia na mko gine car ni. Aban property, aban nipa o sha aban uniform. Na mko tackle ni say look at the multitude na mko car no ho hia. It is section otutuo ne kumu bia. Do you think say ono ni ye nipa boni na mumu ye nipa papa na? No. And let me tell you this thing. Ghana ha gradually ye di nipa bi anwa adwene hye ye tirimu kwan bone so a ehu hia se ye di hye otirimu. Typical example nurses, police for and gradually ye di soldier for be shame. But the more we do that, the more we put our lives in danger. Because uchu mu tiny tentene ne betene ye pe ada wo be yare hospital nurse ni na also wonyen oho na wo be ko ada asembeto no twu mu tantenten ne betene ye pe ada asembeto no police station one abewura. Yes, judicial service in your back was a moon to me fantin if you can. And let me tell you, and no man baby one my ear to fear you didn't say we are right. When you go there and they open the laws for you, they explain to you, you know, say we are quasiakra. And that is the gospel truth. So who do one of them so with the honor running over here, Juma? Who was a sad the can if you know quasiasam cano? Obit me do police barrier. Near Gina woman, yes, a checker now or no now what taken Nibu of food said police, yet Gina woman no such a Ubu of Fuhaya, Ubu of Fuhaya. Why? Can I yes set him now, Buofuno? Matana came, I set you be a chewy one hoping. From KGT here to Santasi, ye about na wish and home. Ye drew backwaran about the police, and you may no Miss Yen in Sifo. Omusha, and you must say almost away, or Mutun with na wish. At you won't win so bottom now, Buofu. It is a moya san or man another be a moya samu to Tankuruma. Why do you say you are defending your right? You don't have that right. You don't have that right. Tina last me catch them say President Mahama or the any party say yeah, but only traffic so but boss siren a where there is authority, there is no argument. Baby a to me wono and a chinye ho. It is will be bad side. Now Mugi say Bikura Wonya. Munko report to the highest authority. And I have the regional command, your regional command, your one command. Go and report to the police station. Say Munko for be see by your side, be say. By the end, I'm so much money penty and me and fiance and command as I know Bibia. Name we report watch them some munkasa. Sanet here. Move for to me, some ranting about some crosses, some chamo. We no bikua, wakun kwa, Missy Uncle Bebia. At the end of the report in the the police in the can say more attack no more to and it's true because the Amuko say can will be any Namu can. You should be careful. Hey, Abrabon, Obia Bewu Bakwasiani Winter. Yen be with me, Opiama committee. That could make that sorry now I will be in the news. Say Opiama could be says no more. But some shame who see kakra at least menya kakra come home. So what's him who are 30 years, me shame who see kakra, make me 36. Ya menya ya me de come anymore. That is how life is. Men Jimmy ne wuntam. Ne we me enko blame obi amfa wo nkwa ne ma. Ye interdict ne kura amfa wo nkwa ne ma. The guy was shot dead for nothing because he was foolish. And you people should be careful. Na military near security service yam for mu nia gross asa de mu hunu no etuo ne de aso mu se AK47 no yam fa nso mu nsam se o mu fa nwuna obi o yesi on tunkun enti ne ma no tuo na ne ma na aboba nsenka nwuna nkwa ke be ma no tuo nkwa ke ma na aboba nka ho yesi on tum fa nkun me ne umienu yesi on fa nkun ye. And I know people will come to this page and argue, but the reality of the issue is a 20 days police in yes, we now on from Kum, so we didn't question anything out of law, or to me the Kum and ye. So what thing common as now only say police need to do one in the crown rest. Welcome to the answer.
To the wife, your mommy, comment section. I Penyah Block Media.